Okay, so I've just hit my shot. Thought it was in the bunker. Come to have a look, and not sure how it stayed there, but somehow it's come to rest in the general area, partly in the general area, maybe partly in the bunker. I don't think so. I'm just going to check that it's embedded. Yeah, unfortunately it's embedded, and now I get free relief from my ball being in the general area, but that's only if there's a relief area in the general area as well. Behind the ball is bunker, and just grabbing my longest club in the bag except the putter, anywhere from that spot directly behind the ball, no closer to the hole that you see, is actually still in the bunker. So the relief area is all in the bunker, which doesn't permit me to take free relief for this embedded ball. So my only options are to either play the ball as it lies or to take an unplayable. Now, because I'm not in the bunker, I'm in the general area, I can go back on a line and drop outside the bunker. I could drop within the 2 club lengths in the bunker, or I could go back to my last place played for 1. I'm going to give it a shot.